Hey YouTubers, good morning, it's Robb Moffett. Guys, real quick video. I want to talk to you about something you can purchase that'll help you get more views with your videos. That's backgrounds for your videos and your photos. In the past, sometimes I would use construction paper or board I would get from the dollar store. The problem is they didn't last very long. They would get wet or dirty, and however, they were very big and they only cost $1. What I did is I went online, I found some placemats. These are also sometimes sold as cutting boards or just in plastic. And they come in many different colors, basically primary colors. And they really pop your photos and your videos. Now, because they are small, you have to only use them on something that's going to be a small item in your video making. So you're going to have to focus in closely, but that's actually a good thing. The construction cardboard that comes in the dollar store, they're much bigger, so you could use them for bigger projects. But for a lot of things, this is perfect. Also, what I did is I printed out some labels with the name of my channel, and this is the first time I've done that. I didn't do a very good job of it, but that way, when you're making your videos, you can just have your projects going, and you don't have to continuously worry about having your text of your channel watermarked and worry about somebody stealing your videos. So this is something that's going to last a really long time. It's easy to clean, and it's not going to get destroyed by any of your projects unless you're using it with your drill and your X-Acto knife. But you know what I'm saying. So also, when you do your thumbnails, this really pops your photos. Your videos look really good, having these really sharp, bright primary colors as a background. So that was, I think, like about $8. I'll leave a link to the ones I got on Amazon, but you could probably find them in the dollar store. If not, like I said, you could check out Amazon, or always look on eBay, other cheaper places than Amazon too. Well, I hope this was something helpful to you guys. You might want to give it a try for your videos. It really helps with the thumbnails, I think. Right, I put out new videos every week. Been doing it for 14 years. Got about 1,000 videos, and I got a playlist on video making and video projects you can make to make gadgets and things for your video making. All right, take care. See you out there.